Koe lotu whakaaho ki ha whakaloto lahi ma whakatua melie me he wholofola. Ka veinga tali lotu. Potu wholofola sa me ono vesi hiva. Kua ngoi e sihova e kuhu. E tali e sihova e kulotu. Emeni. Ke tau lotu. Sihova sa pauti. Whawhitai e maukoloa whakaofa o e ahoni. Na aku kawe kalanga kia te koe he aho moe pō. Pea kua ngoi he awhiona e kuhu. Kua tali lotu ai awhiona ke he e kulotu. Whakamalo atu sisu. Mo oni o kulahi e ku whakahoha asi ai awhiona. Whamole I au eiki. Kai whakawhetai koe o tua mesi. Koe o tua ofa ai awhiona. Ngahi koloa me ngahi tāpuaki ko ke whakainasi aki au. Sisu ke o oupe ai langlangi moingeia. Iho hua whape sisu kalaisi ko koe hoku whakamoui. Emeni. What an awesome God we serve. He listens, He hears our cry, and He accepts our prayers. There are times we think God never hears our cry, but believe me, He does. He may not answer our prayers the way we want Him to, but trust, believe His plans as they are always best. Remember to pray every opportunity you have. Yes, His blessings will be with you always. Don't forget to subscribe for daily prayers of hope and encouragement from the Bible. Thank you and God bless.